Hi everyone, this is Farjad Afzal and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to import references from EndNote library to Microsoft Word. So we have a EndNote library here and we have a Microsoft Word file. How to import references from this library to this Microsoft Word file. This is very easy. You will go to you will go to EndNote library and you can select the reference that you want to import to Microsoft Word file. So we have selected this reference from this library, and we will go to Word and we will select EndNote X7, and here we can insert the selected reference into this file. Similarly, another reference can be imported. For example, we have selected this reference and now we go back to Microsoft Word, and here we can import by clicking insert selected citation. Similarly, you can select a lot of references. For example, we have selected all these libraries and we can import by clicking here selected insert selected citation. So we can insert 1, 2, 3 and 4, as many as reference from EndNote library to our Word file.